Hi kids. These headlights look terrible with my new bulbs in there. You can't see them as good as you should. So I got this thing at Harbor Freight. You guys saw maybe a video of me working on the Mitsubishi, polishing them out with one of those hand polishing kits. It worked pretty good. We're gonna try this pneumatic kit along with some Meguiar's plastic headlight restorer. And then we're gonna clear coat it with this headlight UV coating. We're gonna see what that gets us. I'm curious, aren't you? First step, I'm gonna just clean them up a little bit. This kit is about 30 bucks from Harbor Freight for this little pneumatic gizmo. If you happen to have an air compressor, this might be something you want to try. It's not an orbital, it's just a rotary sander. It comes with these different pads. There's a stiffer one and a softer one, and then a buffing pad. It just sticks on like Velcro because, you know, that's what it is. Put a little polish on there. Impressive, frankly. Now, if your car has a nice paint job, you're going to want to mask this off because this is slinging this stuff around. But the element being the element, you can just kind of wipe it off. It's plastic. That tiny little bit of polishing right there, what, 4 or 5 minutes? That's the difference we've got. Went ahead and decided to tape it up with some 3-inch masking so I don't make too big a mess, and so that when I spray the clear coat on, I can control that a little better. I'm sure the pro headlight guys will tell you that there's a lot of technique involved in this, as far as how hard you push on it and how long you let it sit in one spot, and I'm sure that's true, and clearly I don't know how to do it because it's the first time I've messed with it. Looks decent. There, myself a little bit bigger work area. This is the Meguiar's headlight coating. And this is just a clear coat that's supposed to have a UV protectant in here. A little windy today, so I hope this works good. I'll let that sit up. We clean the headlights up with this. This is Armor All multi-purpose cleaner, and the reason that I use this product is because it was cheap at the dollar store. That's it. Now it's time to blast it with the special sauce. Same thing as the other side. Clean all that crud off. Make sure it's good and clean, squeaky clean. How's that look? That's what we're left with, guys. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? Of course, this one hasn't set up yet, but makes all the difference. So that's it, kids. We'll see how long this lasts. Pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I have zero skills when it comes to this, and looks like I was able to pull it off my own idiot way. Until next time, this is Clint Searcy saying, you can do this, I promise.